Namaskaram. Welcome to Mata Bhuvneshwari Jyotidam. Today we will try to understand what is Dvi Pushkar Yoga and Tri Pushkar Yoga and how can we use these yoga in increasing our luck. First, let us see what is the Dvi Pushkar Yoga. As the term Dvi means two or twice, anything irrespective of whether it is auspicious or inauspicious, if started or done during the Dvi Pushkar Yoga, will result in a repetition of the work of same nature and in total will end up in two works of the same type. Now let's see when and how a Dvi Pushkar Yoga is formed. If the Tithi is either Dvitiya or Saptami or Dvadashi, I repeat, if the Tithi is either Dvitiya or Saptami or Dvadashi, the day is either Sunday or Tuesday or Saturday, and the nakshatra is either Avitam or Chitrai or Mrigashirsham, then Dvi Pushkar Yoga takes place. Any types of combination within these three factors of Tithi and day and the nakshatra will result into a Dvi Pushkar Yoga. Now let us see what is a Tri Pushkar Yoga. Tri means three or thrice. Any work done during the Tri Pushkar Yoga will result in two more happenings of the same type and will end up with a total of three works of the same nature. Tri Pushkar Yoga happens when the Tithi is either Dvitiya or Saptami or Dvadashi, the day is either Sunday or Tuesday or Saturday, and the nakshatra is either Vishakam or Uttiram or Punarpusam or Kartigai or Uttiradam or Puratadi. Any combination of these three factors will result in Tri Pushkar Yoga. Please note that both the Dvi Pushkar Yoga and the Tri Pushkar Yoga has no effect in changing the result of the work done during this yoga. These yoga will only result in the repetition of the same type of work if performed when either one of these yoga are present. For example, unfortunately, if a death happens, then it may result in one more death in case of Dvi Pushkar Yoga and two more deaths in case of Tri Pushkar Yoga. As per the ancient text, if a death happens during these yoga, then puja or rituals should be performed as per the priest or astrologer's suggestions. Also, the elders of the family should be consulted to know what the family traditions suggest in such cases. In the same way, any auspicious work done during this yoga may result in a repetition of the work of same nature, like purchase of house, vehicles, jewelry, monetary investments. If done during this yoga, then in case of the Dvi Pushkar Yoga, one more incident will happen of the same type, and in case of the Tri Pushkar Yoga, two more incidents will happen of the same type. In astrology, we suggest to perform good or auspicious works during this yoga. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for further updates. Thank you.